Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can reset your TCL Android TV. So if you want to reset your TCL Android TV, what you can do is you can go to the top right corner in the settings. So you can navigate through remote and open the settings, and then you can scroll down and go to device preferences. In the device preferences, you can go to the bottom of the list and click reset. From here it will prompt you to confirm if you really want to reset your TCL Android TV. Are you sure? And this will erase all of your device data and internal storage as well. So if you want to reset your account, you can simply click factory data reset and your TCL Android TV will completely reset. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.